This is the first time I've ever written a review on a product on Amazon ever. I have had this toothpaste dispenser for almost a year now and wow, it still works like new. It saves quite a bit of space with the little storage it has and the toothbrush holders. The wall mount is very durable and has not caused any issues whatsoever. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend anyone to purchase. The toothpaste dispenser works, holds electric toothbrushes and extra toothbrush heads and more. I got the containers here on Amazon too. I store the toothbrush chargers and other miscellaneous items in the drawers. 10 out of 10 recommend. I love this. Helps me keep my countertop free and I stay organized. I get oohs and ahs when people see it. I'm so glad I purchased RHIS. I wish I had known about this sooner. Very functional and sturdy. Perfect for my son and I. No digging in drawers looking for toothpaste or any of the things we use daily. You won't regret the purchase. Works on walls that are not a smooth surface, just smooth out adhesive strip to completely stick. Really liked this product. I just added a bit of a pattern to match my bathroom theme. I have a small sink top and this just allowed me to have all my necessary things at my instant reach. The toothpaste dispenser is very good as well. Gets you every last bit of toothpaste needed. Enjoyed it and the price. Easy to install. Strong grip. Holds lots of stuff, great price. I love that the head of my toothbrush is safe in its little garage. My boyfriend only remembers to put the seat down 1/2 the time and now my toothbrush is always protected. Cups help keep the sink and my shirt water-free and there is a little drawer for your significant other to have a space in the bathroom. Lol, 5 stars. Easy to install. Suction is perfect. Very strong. Glue perfectly to the wall. Perfect for our bathroom. I love this thing. Follow the instructions and everything will be fine. Wipe the wall, then put the sticker. Do not put any of the item. Ye wait 12 hours and then put the MOPMS and then you're good to go. It's awesome. I love it and would recommend it to everyone. Easy to install. Helps a lot to keep the sink clean and organized. We like it. Click link in description for more reviews.